Most men think skincare is only for women, or that getting glass skin is impossible for guys. But that's completely wrong. Glass skin basically means your skin looks clear, smooth, fresh, glowing and hydrated, like a clean piece of glass. And here's the truth. Men can achieve it faster than women because our skin is naturally thicker, produces more collagen, and heals quicker. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how to get glass skin step by step. The habits, the routine, the products, the lifestyle. Everything you need to transform your face into something that looks healthy, attractive, and clean. This is not a one-day miracle. But if you follow this guide consistently, your skin will change completely. Understanding glass skin, what it actually means. Before we start, let's understand what glass skin really is. Glass skin is not about whitening your skin or looking fake. It's about improving your skin quality. Glass skin means zero visible texture, minimal pores, no dryness, no oiliness, no dullness, smooth surface, natural glow. It looks healthy from the inside, not oily from the outside. Men usually struggle with three things. 1. Oily skin. 2. Acne or marks. 3. Rough texture. But all of these can be improved with proper care. You don't need thousands of products. Just the correct steps in the correct order. Cleansing. The foundation of clear skin, step 1. Cleansing. Men's skin gets dirty faster because of sweat, pollution, and oil. If you don't wash your face properly, you'll never achieve glass skin. Use a gentle face wash, not a harsh one that dries your skin. Wash your face twice a day. Morning, night. Never scrub your face aggressively. Never use soap. And don't overwash more than 2 times. A good cleanser removes dirt, oil, pollution, and sweat without disturbing your skin barrier. And a healthy barrier is the secret behind smooth, glowing skin. Exfoliation. Remove dead skin and texture. Most men skip exfoliation, and that's why their skin looks dull and rough. Exfoliation removes dead skin, cleans your pores, and smoothens your texture. There are 2 types. 1. Physical scrubs. 2. Chemical, AHA, BHA toners or serums. Avoid physical scrubs. They damage your skin. Use chemical exfoliants 2 to 3 times a week. HA, like glycolic acid. Dullness, pigmentation. Texture BHA, like salicylic acid, for cums, acne, blackheads, oily skin. This step alone can change your skin massively if you do it consistently. Toner. Hydration for the glass effect. Toner is not mandatory, but it helps if you want that Korean glass skin glow. Choose a hydrating toner with hyaluronic acid, rose water, or glycerin. It keeps your skin soft and prepares it for serums. Hydration, it'll glow. Without hydration, your skin looks dry, even if it's clean. Serums, the real transformation step. Serums are the most powerful part of your routine. You only need 2 main serums. 1. Vitamin C, morning. Benefits. Brightens skin, reduces dark spots, fades acne marks, adds glow. Use it 4 to 5 times a week. Niacinamide only before going to bed. Benefits. Controls oil, shrinks pores, smooths skin texture, reduces acne and redness, or if you deal with acne. Use salicylic acid serum at night instead. Serums penetrate deeper into the skin than creams. That's why they work so effectively. This is how you get glass-level clarity. 6. Moisturizer. Smooth, soft, plump skin. Glass skin must be hydrated. Hydration makes your skin look shiny, bouncy, and healthy. Use a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer if you have oily skin. Use a cream-based one if you have dry skin. Moisturizer locks in hydration and repairs your skin barrier. Without it, your face will always look dull and cracked. Sunscreen. The most important step for glass skin. This is the step 90% of men skip, and that's why their skin gets dark spots, premature aging, wrinkles, and uneven tone. Sunscreen protects UV damage, pigmentation, acne marks getting darker, wrinkles. If you don't use sunscreen, nothing else in your skincare routine will work. Use SPF 30 or SPF 50, especially in the day. Even indoors, yes, it still matters. This is the true secret behind Korean-level skin. Lifestyle changes, the part men ignore. Glass skin is not only about products. Your lifestyle matters just as much. Drink water, at least 2 to 3 liters daily. Dehydration equals dull skin. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. This is when your skin repairs itself. No sleep equals dark circles plus puffy eyes plus dull face. 3. Avoid too much junk food, oily food, or breakouts, sugar, or acne. Balance your diet. Add fruits, vegetables, and protein. 4. Reduce stress. Stress increases acne and skin inflammation. Meditate, walk, or just breathe deeply 5 minutes a day. 5. Don't touch your face. Your hands carry bacteria. Touching your face causes pimples and marks. Special care for men, because our skin is different. Men's skin has different needs. We produce more oil, sweat more, and usually shave. Here's how to handle it. Jabs 1. After shaving, apply aloe vera gel or a gentle moisturizer. It prevents irritation and bumps. 2. Oily skin, use niacinamide and salicylic acid regularly. Acne-prone skin, use BHA 2-3 times a week. Dull skin, vitamin C is your best friend. N. Weekly routine for glass skin. Here's a simple weekly schedule. Morning. Cleanser. Vitamin C. Moisturizer. Sunscreen. Night. Cleanser. Niacinamide or AHR BHA. Moisturizer 2 to 3 days a week. Exfoliation. AHA BHA. Daily. Hydrating toner. Drink water. Sleep properly. Conclusion. So in the end, getting glass skin is not about being feminine or doing a 20-step routine. It's simply about taking care of your skin the right way. Cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, protect. Do this consistently and you'll see results in 2 to 4 weeks. Your skin will get smoother, clearer, and healthier. Men with great skin look more attractive, more confident, and more disciplined, because it shows you take care of yourself. Start today. Your future self will thank you.